Hi friends. Welcome back to yet another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Microsoft PC Manager in Windows 10 and 11 in 2023. Open Google and type Microsoft PC Manager in the search box. And hit enter. Now Microsoft's official website has been opened. Click on the first link. Here, click on the download button to download the Microsoft PC Manager. After the application file has been downloaded, go to the location where the application file has been downloaded. In order to install PC Manager, double-click on the download file. On this new window, click on the I accept checkbox to accept the end user's agreement. Now click on the Install button. Wait for some time to install the application. Now the application has been successfully installed. Click on the Launch Now button to open the application.
Please subscribe this channel, like and share this video.